What is up, Carol here with Themeisle. What I want to show you today is how to build a portfolio website with Neve in under 10 minutes. So of course what we need first is the Neve theme. So we're gonna use the free version of Neve. You can get it either from the official website at themeisle.com or of course from the WordPress repo. Or as most people do, you can just go to your WordPress admin, to themes, add new. In here, put in Neve and just install the theme directly from the dashboard. So yeah, let's activate. And as soon as I do, Neve is gonna let me know that I should probably install the additional plugin that's gonna allow me to fetch some of Neve starter designs. So let's do that. Then in the next step, Neve is gonna ask me about the type of website that I'm building. So let's say that it is a business website. And in here, I get to choose from a range of pre-made designs that I can import into Neve in just a couple of clicks. So first off, two options. You can either go with the native block editor templates or templates made for Elementor. So I'm gonna go with block editor, I think. And the second thing is that some of those templates are gonna be only available in the pro version of Neve. So if you do decide to get the pro version of Neve, it does come with a couple of more features, a couple more abilities that make your website even more professional. So do check it out. For now, I'm just gonna stick to the free version. So in here, you can click on free and that is gonna show you only the free starter designs available for Neve. I think that this design is gonna work great for a portfolio website. So for starters, let's just change the typography pretty quickly. I think I enjoy serif fonts a bit more, so I'm gonna go with that. Let's just continue. And in here, Neve is gonna ask us about some additional features that we maybe want for this website. For me, I don't want any of them for now because I want to show you how to do it quickly, how to launch a portfolio website in less than 10 minutes. So we're just gonna focus on the basics. And yeah, once it's done, Neve is gonna ask us if we want to subscribe to get some information about Neve, about what's coming. For now, I'm just gonna skip it and view my site. So yeah, this is my website. Right now, it's pretty stock. So let's change what's going on in here. Let's edit page. And what you're gonna see is that this page indeed is the block editor page. So just as an example, my website is going to be a portfolio of someone organizing events, company events, whatever events. So let's just see what's possible. So first off, I want to change the background. This kind of mountainy background is not something that fits. So let's just replace it. Let's open the media library, bring in maybe a new image. That one is going to be okay. And with that, I cannot see the text now on the page. So first off, I think it's going to be a good idea to reset font color for this. So in here, maybe let's say something like this. This is totally not generic AI generated content, I promise. Maybe let's add some more text in here. And also I think I will go with white text. Then learn more. This is fine as a button. However, let's go into the list view and maybe in the buttons, the second button, hire us. Let's just remove it. And let's just keep this one. You know what? Let's go back to the cover once more. Let's switch to full size so that it has a bit more resolution. And then in the style, let's put some overlay just to make it a bit darker so that the text pops out a bit more. Yeah, I think that is starting to look okay, maybe even more. So services section. Let me just change the copy really quickly. And cool, there it is. The icons, those icons, I can replace them if I want to. Those are actually just images. So if I go to my media library, I can add new ones, new images. So yeah, maybe let's do that. I'm just gonna add some generic images just to show you what's possible. Okay, this is a bit too big, so maybe let's make it a bit smaller. 200 is gonna be fine. So yeah, starts looking okay. Yeah, and this next section is a great place to add some of your projects, some of your actual portfolio. So let's do just that. This one is gonna be my midnight gala. Let's replace the image. Let's use this one, select. Next section, let's call it something like that. And again, replace. Yeah, this is gonna be fine, I think. And I think I would prefer maybe a testimonial section in here. So let's just click on plus, let's go into patterns, let's go into testimonials. And yeah, one big testimonial is gonna look good in here, but we will of course need to tune it up. So first off, let's remove this group. So we have only the testimonial left in here. And inside, we of course do have to change the text color of it all, So let's change it. Let's add some example testimonial in here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty good. And here next in the featured work section, I think it would be a better solution probably, instead of columns, to have maybe an image slider. So you know what, let's just remove the columns, delete, and in here, let's just add a slider. All right, so again, into the library, let's grab a couple of images. Let's create a new gallery, insert, and this is gonna turn into a slider or events. We have some more testimonials here below, so since we already have a testimonial block, I'm just gonna delete it. And what we have left here is the final call to action block. Yeah, starts looking okay, so let's just save it. Let's see the homepage. So there we have it. This is a portfolio website for my event planning and organization business. Yeah, the hero section is nice, the services are nice, and some information about my past work also looks good. The slider also works pretty nice. And then you're gonna notice that Neve comes with a couple of pages that were imported when we selected this example design. So for example, this is the About Us page, which comes with some basic information. Again, you can just edit this page just like we did with the homepage. So you can tune up, you can edit any section you see here. Then there's also the Contact Us page. And this page comes with an included contact form. So this contact form actually is being created, managed by the Author Blocks plugin that was also fetched, imported together with Neve. And it just works. You don't need to configure it in any other way than what has already been done during the onboarding. And finally, we also have an example portfolio page. So if you want to do anything more apart from what we did on the homepage, you can edit this page and you can add some more projects, some more elements to this main portfolio page. And then Neve also comes with an example single portfolio item. So if I click into that, you're gonna see that this is basically a page meant to showcase a single project of yours. So just change the images, change the copy, and you will be able to showcase what you've done for a certain project, along with maybe even a testimonial block, as you can see here. So yeah, that would be it. This has been a super simple, super quick creation of a portfolio website on Neve. And the best part is that we used the free version of Neve for that. So yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe. There's a lot more content coming up, and see you next time.